If you're getting callbacks on your hardscape projects, I can guarantee you that one of these three things is costing you and your company thousands. And these are not small issues. These are callbacks that kill your cash. Callbacks don't only eat your profit. They steal time, frustrate your crew, and they hurt your reputation. The best and worst part is that all three of these are completely preventable. And don't even get me started on opportunity costs. Let's walk through the three biggest ones that we've seen. Number one is edge restraint failure. We see lateral creep, which is your edges separating. We see grass growing, and we see uplift of edging. So now you and your team have to go back to the job and fix something that the customer never should have had fail in the first place. Moving on to number two is settlement and base failure, and this is a big one. This leads to low spots, standing water, tripping hazards, and the hard truth is, it's never the paver's fault. Three things come to mind: improper compaction, improper depth of base, or simply cutting corners. This is where callbacks get really expensive. You're tearing all that product back out, you're paying your team and your crew to reinstall that product, and worst of all, you're losing the trust of a valued customer. And not to mention, if the base is wrong, everything above that will eventually fail. Number three, joint failure. Washed out joints, loose pavers, ants, grass growth. A lot of contractors blame the joint material, but that's only part of it. Poor installation could be the cause, but most likely it's that base that's underneath. And like I had mentioned earlier, most of your failures up top is due to improperly installed base. So in recap, I obviously pointed out those three biggest failures on job sites, but I am going to go back to opportunity costs, because this is something that I think we all need to be more aware of. You think about sending 3 guys back to repair a job, and if you're billing out at say $80 an hour, that's $240 that you've lost. But not only that, those 3 hours spent could have been started on the next job. So you have to double that. So all of a sudden your 3 times 80, your 240, right, becomes $480. You're talking a lot of money. And let alone, if you know your numbers, you're recovering your overhead most likely off of labor burden. And if you're not recovering that, you can multiply that by 3 or even 4 times. So it pays to pay attention to your numbers, know exactly what you're doing, and install it right. If you can't afford to do it right the first time, how are you ever going to afford to do it right the second? If you want to know your numbers better, learn more about opportunity costs, you really want to check out this video. We had a great conversation with the founder of Synced Up, Weston Zimmerman. I wish this information was available to me 40 years ago. Thanks for sticking around and listening to this video. We look forward to seeing you next week. If you're still here, click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.